Hello students, my name is Professor Supriya Kulkarni from KK Wagh Senior College Chandori. Today we are going to learn Introduction to Distribution Models, Consistency and Version Stamps in NoSQL in Database Technology. Firstly, we will discuss about distribution models. There are two styles of distributing data. First is sharing distributes different data across a multiple servers, so each server acts as the single source for a subset of a data. Next is replication copies data across a multiple servers, so each bit of the data can be found in a multiple places. A system may use either or both techniques. Replication comes in two forms. First is master slave replication, makes one node the authoritative copy that handles writes while slaves synchronize with a master and may handle reads. Peer-to-peer application allows writes to any node, the nodes coordinated to synchronize their copies of the data. These are the two replication modes. Now we will discuss about consistency. Consistency is a main part of NoSQL because in write-to-write conflicts occurs when two clients try to write the same data at the same time. Read or write conflicts occur when one client read inconsistent data in the middle of another client's writes. Therefore, there is conflict is occur. Pessimistic approaches lock data records to prevent conflicts. Optimistic approaches detect conflicts and fix them. Clients usually want to read your writes consistency, which means a client can write and then immediately read new values. To get a good consistency, you need to involve many nodes in a data operation, but this increases latency. So, you often have to trade off consistency versus latency. The CAP theorem states that if you get a network partition, you have to trade off availability of a data versus consistency. Durability can also be traded off against latency, particularly if you want to survive failures with replicated data. You do not need to contact all replicants to preserve strong consistency with a replication. You just need a large enough quorum. Now we will discuss about version stamp. Version stamps help you detect concurrency conflicts. When you read a data then update it, you can check the version stamp to ensure nobody updated the data between your read and write. Version stamp can be implemented using counters, GUIDs, content hashes, timestamps, or a combination of these. With distributed system, a vector of version stamp allow you to detect when different nodes have conflicting updates. This is the simple introduction of distribution models, consistency and version stamp. Thank you students for watching my video.